2021, blessing on the bike Saturday pre-ride. Sorry, pre-party, not pre-ride. Same thing. Bike's got issues again. That oil's mine for once. Rode in with a guy on a chopper. That was pretty cool. Gonna meet him down there. Hopefully he's got his shit together. Hell yeah, dude. There he is. Yeah. I just realized that too. I was like, shit, gas. Yeah, me too. Good plan. Sandwich switch. Of course I'm getting gas at the fucking blessing. I need to get one of those magnet things so I can fucking see underneath the bike. Or sorry, the mirror things, not magnet things. Dope. Give me that shit. What's up?
Mike, flipping it, the whole fucker's coming right up.
Yeah. pretty uncut for the most part. Ooh, nice. Why is that? There's a lot of fucking bikes here. I don't want to miss any of it, so. I love going to rallies like this. They're fucking awesome. I think he's got his mixture a little bit off the now. Let me get back a little bit. I don't want to get in the way of that shit when it goes off again. Since about like 2:33ish. It's been a couple hours, but you know. I'm gonna let him have his moment with all the people staring at his bike. I like those. I know y'all didn't get to see a lot of me cruising back and forth, but that was pretty much just the only time I actually really cruised. Before that, I had just parked, walked around, ate food and drank a beer. There wasn't a whole lot going on. Why I haven't cut anything yet, it's because up ahead there is even more stuff. Ooh, another fat bob. There's more bikes up ahead here. mean, maybe. I know earlier there's a store up here. That's where like everybody stops to get their shit. So there was a lot up here. I mean, granted, it's up a little bit yet. I know I'm mainly going because there's a lot of bikes behind me, and I can kind of look back and see them. So, giving love to everybody that needs love, you know. So a lot of GoPros today. Don't know any of them. I'll look up Baldwin Blessing later. See if I see myself in any of those videos. I'm sure my dumbass face is out there like being dopey as shit somewhere. Unless they wave, I don't wave. That's where I'm at with this point because there's so many bikes coming in and going out. Blacktop Saints right there. I know I'm not saying that just to say it, but that's actually the club they're in. I recognize the lime green lettering on them. Looks like there's still bikes everywhere. And a Sportster. Nice. See, look at all those fucking Harleys and Indians. That one's cool. It's got match painting. Like, look at everybody. So many. So many people everywhere. We picked up more bikes. Listen to this cam though. You can hear it over my cam. I see. What the fuck? I lost 2 spots. I don't know anybody here with the guy in the fucking red chopper. The fuck is this? Ah, fuck. That was probably illegal.